Welcome, pretty people. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious, and for today's video, we are doing a Fashionnova try-on haul. But this is not no ordinary Fashionnova try-on haul. This is a spring-summer vacation, if you will, try-on haul. These pieces are definitely not no regular pieces. So I am a size small. I weigh 135 pounds. Last night I checked, so that is extremely accurate. And I'm 5 feet 2 inches. So if that helps you guys out, that is great. All these pieces will be linked down below in my description box. This is not paid or sponsor. I do not work for Fashionnova, but I just decided to share this haul with you guys. So yeah, also remember to follow me on all my social media. They'll be linked down below as well. And without further ado, let's get into this haul. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. It is given sexy. Okay, so the top is called Fancy Date Satin Top. If you go on Fashionnova, you can find it under that name. And I decided to pair it with the skirt. The skirt is called High Maintenance Slit Maxi Skirt in the color black, and they're both in a size small. I decided to pair these two together because when I saw the skirt, I was like, it's black, it's satin. I need a black satin top to match as well. I think it goes great together. I really love it. I think it's super cute, definitely for a date night, you know, dinner type of setting. It's given sexy, it's given skin, it's given legs, okay? I love the asymmetric vibe of the skirt. It has a twist front. Do it as you will. I know it's supposed to be worn like this, but if you want to like show less skin, you can twist it to the side or whichever you choose. And I like the detail of the top. It has a zipper in the back of the shirt. I love the hanging shoulder detail, and it still gives you a ton of support with the spaghetti straps up top. I also have this low neck, kind of like a drape vibe, and it does have a little V situation, but because of how this skirt is made, I decided to like tuck it in to give it a more, you know, sexy appeal, if you will. But overall, 10 out of 10. I don't normally do like the matchy type of feel, but I knew I wanted the skirt and I knew I wanted something sexy to go with it, and I think I did great. Tell me what you think. Okay, so this two-piece is called the Myra Skirt Set. When I first went on the website to purchase this, up until pulling it out of the package, I had no idea it was a two-piece. I thought it was a dress, but I'm still not disappointed. The quality is amazing. It snatches your body. It feels great. It gives you all the support you would need when you're wearing such a tight fit outfit. You don't need no bra. You don't need no shapewear. You don't even need no panties. You probably just need, if you're gonna wear one, seamless underwear. But right now, I'm not in a seamless. Can you tell? Can you tell? I got ass. The body came with this. The body came with this dress, okay? This two-piece. Overall, I love it. It came in 2 colors, this green and like a mustard color, but I decided to go with green because I don't really have a lot of these options, these colors in my wardrobe. So your girl's branching out a little bit, but summer a come, I missed the boat. Missed the boat. But let's not fool around. This is amazing. The quality is amazing. It does look like a dress, but I promise you guys, it is a two-piece. But the lace detail in the front takes away the simplicity of it. It's no longer a simple two-piece with no strap. Like, it just gives it a little extra something. I'm going to have to do something with the lace, but that doesn't give away from it. It's cute. It's a 10. All right, this one is definitely a casual, sexy outfit. The top and the bottom is sold separately. So the top is called Days Off Seamless Bodysuit. I decided to pair it with the skirt because I did buy kind of like a corset to go with it. But I feel like with this skirt, you kind of want it out and you want whatever you're wearing in, and the corset was out. And the color scheme, like, I don't know, it just didn't go as well as I thought it would in my head, but I did choose 3 different tops for this. 2 was a corset and this was a simple bodysuit method, which I love. This will totally be great for summer. Definitely breezy, if you know what I mean. Wear something under your skirt. The skirt, oh, and the top is in a small. The skirt is called Gone Bad Fox Letter Mini Skirt. I should have bought this in a small. I got it in a medium because I thought with me Gained a little weight. I was kind of, self-conscious about, if I buy too small and if it can't fit my waist, I'm going to be so mad. So if I buy a medium, I'll be able to tuck it in if anything. And I was right. It does have a lot of space. I want it to be snatched like that, but it's not. But it's nothing wrong. Your girl's a seamstress also. I have a sewing machine. So I will do what it will with that. But overall, I will give this a 9 out of 10 just because if this was a different material, it probably would have fit on me a little bit more. Or maybe I just need a snatch waist. What you guys think? Is it given? Is it? I'm messing up the audio. But is it giving what it's supposed to give? Let me come closer. But this top right here, y'all, this top is giving Skims a run for their money. I did not notice or I did not realize until I was putting it on, like, yo, this feels so good. This feels good. The top is a 10. The skirt is a 9.5 out of 10. Now, this right here is probably one of my favorite swimsuits from Fashionnova, hands down. This crochet is top-notch quality. Okay, if you've ever seen anybody do a review on this and they say something bad about it, they clearly don't have the body for it and they be mad. But my body's not built like them girls, but this is giving. So this is called A Day in Dubai two-piece swimsuit cover-up. Look it up. I'm not sure if it's still available right now, but let me tell you something. And I got this on sale at the right price. It's giving. It's giving Caribbean party. It's a give boat party. It's giving A Day in Dubai, yes. But it's giving girl summer. It's giving catch me outside the summer cars. Let me behave myself. But the quality on this is amazing. I love it. It fits great. Titties intact. Yes. Coverage on the booty. Yes. Stretchiness. Yes. Is it covering everything? Yes. Are my titties falling out? No. Overall, a 10. I literally have nothing bad to say about this. I was thoroughly impressed when I saw it and I wanted to purchase it. I was a little bit hesitant because I'm like, if it come and the bottom fit or and the top is too small or the top fit and the bottom is too big, I'm gonna be mad. But this didn't came with the body, but it gave with the body that I have. Best believe. It's a 10. This sexy, sassy, fierce two-piece outfit is called Heidi Feather Skirt Set in the color fuchsia. And I'm loving it. Like, just putting it on right now. I don't know. It's just something. It's giving a vibe. It's giving, I'm the birthday girl. But I don't know if I would wear this to my birthday, though. Overall, pros and cons about this. The feathers. The feathers are going to fall off. The feathers fell off while I was putting it on. There were feathers in the packaging, in that little, that little Ziploc packaging that it comes in. The feathers fell off. So washing is going to be a huge problem. The pros about this, it snatches everything. You don't need no shapewear. You don't need no bra. You don't even need no underwear. It's the second time I'm saying this. But it snatches. You're gonna feel sexy and confident wearing this. Like, I absolutely feel amazing. For me, my biggest insecurity about wearing, a strapless two-piece is my titties. I'm gonna be pulling it up. But it has this thing right here. It's kind of like a rubber. So when it sticks to your skin, you don't have to worry about it falling off or you constantly pulling it up. And like I said, because of the material is a bandage suction material, it definitely hugs your body. So you can move around all you want to, dance, shake it, shake what your mama gave you. You can throw it down in the club and you will still feel great and you still don't have to adjust anything. It's a 10 out of 10. Like, it's giving birthday girl. It's giving a vibe, but I definitely feel the fierceness, the body, the hotness, the Caribbean queen that I am. I'm gonna go take this off. Let's talk about this two-piece right here. Denim on top of denim is definitely it for the spring and summer of 2023. So when I saw this skirt on the Fashion Nova website, the model was pairing it with a denim top. I decided to go the same route, but I didn't want to do the denim top that she was wearing because it was a lighter denim and it just didn't seem like it went together with it. So I wanted to pair something with it that made it look like it came as a set, but not really. So I saw this and I was like, yes. This wasn't my first option though, but things keep selling out so fast because of all the sales that they're having on the website. But the skirt was giving, and I don't own a denim skirt. So for me, being drawn to, a denim skirt, I was like, I need that skirt. I have to have this skirt. And oh my God, it did not disappoint. Like it looked exactly like the photo and it's giving way more than that. It's definitely going to be a showstopper. A lot of people are going to stop you and ask you where you get the skirt from if you wear it out. So this top is called Odessa Denim Bra Top in the color medium wash. And I decided to pair it with this because I wanted a top that was super small, show my midsection off, have some zipper, and sort of matches the same shade of denim as it does the skirt. This is not close, but it's the closest I'm gonna get to finding something that I personally liked. The two zipper on the cuffs are not functional. Straps or adjustable, which I love. So for the skirt, so this skirt is called Strung Up Denim Skirt in the color medium wash as well. But let's zoom into the details. So this skirt right here, definitely nothing I've ever seen ever, like nowhere. It is super cute, very, very sexy. It is giving different. It is giving a vibe and it's giving summer for sure. This is not functional. It's just there. And then it has the chain details that goes across. You can detach the chains if you like. And it also has 4 pockets. So these 2 long sides right here are pockets. It has a zipper. And then you have 2 pockets right here as well. The quality on this is amazing. The top has a little stretch. I did buy my size, which is a small. The bottom, I decided to go with a medium because after reading the reviews and reading the description of the skirt, I realized the skirt didn't have much stretch. It's kind of like a true denim. So with that, you don't want to go a size up, or if you want to risk it and go with your size, that's fine. Personally, I just like to go up just in case. If it's a little too big, I can always adjust it to my fitting versus if it's too small, there's nothing you can do. And the risk of you trying to return something to Fashion Nova is just a headache for me. So it's a 10 out of 10 for me, top and bottom. I do not regret this and I can't wait to be outside because like this is giving summer in the shy. Okay, summer vacation. I don't know. Oh my God. This feels amazing. I feel so relaxed and free in this. This is ridiculous. Okay, you guys have to get this. Like a lot of these pieces that I've tried on, it definitely gives like a snatch feel. This material is so comfortable and so stretchy. I could have done an extra small with this. Not gonna lie. So if you want something more fitted, go a size down. If you want to feel relaxed like how I'm feeling right now, stick to your size, okay? This two-piece is called Just Beautiful Textured Skirt Set in the color white. I'm loving this. Textured is definitely it, if you guys can tell. This is definitely an outfit to wear, a night out, a dinner date, a movie date also, walk in a park, whatever your mood is, whatever date night entails, this is definitely an outfit for it. The skirt is super long, goes all the way down to my ankles. So a cute pair of heels will be super good. I could see a crossbody with this or a clutch, but it is a 9 out of 10. I do wish that I bought an extra small just because of the amount of stretch that is in this material. It is ridiculous. I really wanted a more snatch feel. I am too comfortable in this. Like I literally feel so free and so flowy. This is definitely something to wear on vacation, especially somewhere that's hot. Okay? So it's a 10. Now, I know you've probably seen this dress before, whether on social media or on Fashion Nova, but I had to get it this time. I always ignore this dress, but another denim dress was just calling my name. I will say, I don't remember what made me decided to go a size up. Again, I'm usually a small. I went for a medium this time, but I'm so happy I did. Like I had no issues with going into the dress. Like it's like it hugs my body. So I'm actually shocked that it's a medium. Like it fits so well. Like it fits like it's my actual size. So that could probably be a sizing issue. So I would say go a size up. But if you're super petite and slim, um, and you're confident, like, you know, that's your size, then go ahead. But again, for me, I don't like to take risk. So I feel like I will adjust it to my size if it's just a little bit bigger. But once it's smaller than you can't fix anything about that. But the quality of this is amazing. Like I said, the denim feels great. I love these dangling chandeliers on the both sides. I'm not sure how long they're gonna hold up for. I feel like if you try to wash it in the washing machine, they're gonna pop off, they're gonna fall off. But it's not anything that Amazon will fix or the Dollar Tree, actually, that sell these little things and you can just hot glue them like DIY, you know. Get this if you have not gotten it already. Look at that. Bums out. Like, it looks like I have a little ass, don't it? Yes. Yes. It's a 10 too. It's a 10. This is my last outfit. This is my last outfit. Celebration dance. But that is it. That is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you like any pieces in this haul, please let me know down below. Some of these are probably still available on the Fashionnova website. But like I said, things go by so fast on there. If you see something you like, grab it right now. Because if you wait until a few days, you might not get the size that you are looking for. Again, everything will be in my description box. And I love you and you and you and every single one of you. And I will see you guys in the next try on haul. Love you. Bye.